In today's video, we are fishing in my uncle's boat for anything that bites. All the bait and tackle that you see us using today can be purchased locally at CC's Honey Hole Bait and Tackle Shop in Port Royal, South Carolina. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I offer a kayak fishing guide service where I'll take you out here where I catch the fish and I'll show you how I catch them. I plan everything with the weather and tides to make the best trip possible. I can provide all gear, including a Hobie Outback Pedal Kayak, just like this one that I'm in now. So if a guided kayak fishing trip with me sounds like something you might be interested in, please send me an email. I have my email on the screen right now, and it'll also be down in the description of this video. My name is Houston, and this is Beaufort SC Fishing. Yeah, that's a giant. Look at this thing.
God damn. Nasty ass motherfucking thing.
That's a big one.
Put him on my side.
Yeah. It looks like a whiting.
Let's see what you get.
Yep, that's a good bait.
You hit good.
Yeah. I'm in the live well. That's something. I don't know, it's not fighting very much. Let's see.
Damn. You get it. You hit that one. You didn't play with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't think that's a stingray. Make sure the net's ready for whatever that is. Oh, he's running. Oh, it's a shark.
Is it?
Yeah, I see him right here. I don't know what kind that is.
I don't know. Trying to get away from you.
I don't know.
Got him.
I can't tell. No, it doesn't look like a sharp nose.
Huh?
Like a maybe or a bull shark or something. Could be a bull shark. I'm not really sure.
Big enough to keep.
No. Come on. Feels like a whiting, not very big. Yep.
That's good bait right there, man.
Yep. Big. That's
good enough. I won't catch a fucking monster like you fucking caught.
well, you might.
I don't want to wear my ass out. Leave me out the last one. Be alright though, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Oh my God. Alright. Wait, I got all these lines I gotta get in, David. You got enough line on there. You gotta give me some time.
Yes. Oh, God.
I got three more lines after this one, but I gotta reel in real quick. Get them out of the way. Maybe we don't have to untie if you stop them. You got them stopped.
He stopped.
All right, I still got 2 more to reel in.
Oh, God damn. Ain't no little one. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
Oh, we're gonna have to chase him in a second. Not yet though. He's way out there. We can still take our time now.
I got it. He's going. He's a monster.
All right.
Ain't you?
That's all the lines.
Got the boat.
You ready to untie?
Yeah, go ahead.
Are you sure?
Yeah, hang tight.
All right. All right, we're free. We're free for now. All right. Let me know when you want me to take over.
Here.
You done?
He's gonna wear me out. God damn.
Oh.
He's a monster. He ain't no little one.
Oh no.
Been waiting on that one.
Yeah. I was on the bonita. Oh no. He's heavy. Oh.
You didn't lose him, did you?
No, he's on there. He's just swimming at me. It's not a little fish, that's for sure.
He's got the boat outside, so
Yeah.
he's pulling the boat. It's gonna wear him out eventually.
But he's running that way towards the bridge. That's what I'm afraid of.
Well, I can pull him, start the motor. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Is that what you want me to do?
No, not yet. He's still way over there.
You know you got enough shit on there.
You could back up towards him a little bit if you want. You know, point the motor towards him and go backwards. Chase him down just a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah, point it right there. And then go a little bit. We can catch up to him. Oh.
Right? You fighting still?
Yeah, still there. We're getting close.
Tell me when you want to shut the motor off.
Not yet. Just keep
Right
going.
there.
Oh, he's not done yet.
I'll pull him out this way.
Well, here.
Head
Yeah.
to the front.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
I'll back it out. Ready?
No, I think we're good right now.
Good?
I just want to try to pull him towards me now. Oh,
I'm pulling towards you.
maybe go forward and get me up to him.
You want to go forward?
Yeah, towards him. Because look how far out he went now. He's way up there. Looks like he's trying to come up to the surface. Because he's way over there. Look at that. See how far he is? He's halfway up the river. Across the river.
Let me win.
Let's keep going. Turn that way a little bit. That way a little bit. All right. I think we're good. He's getting close.
Got it all.
Yeah. He's right here somewhere.
That's a fucking mouth.
He's right here.
in.
You ready? Oh, he's gonna fight. He's not.
The motor's off.
I know. I'm just saying he's not coming up without a fight right now. The rod's bit in half. Look at that.
Hey, that's a good fucking pole. You got me that.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, that's a big fish though.
You got your phone, your thing on?
Yeah, camera's on.
Let me take over.
No, he's right
There's
here.
the leader.
This is it. Whatever he is.
Hey, fucking.
Yeah, walk. He didn't like that. He didn't like the boat. Look at him. Look how far he went.
God, fucking damn.
That thing's huge. That thing probably weighs 200 pounds.
You get a picture of him?
Got him on camera. We'll pull him up again. I don't know how.
I'm gonna let him hold there for a minute. As long as he ain't moving.
Well, reel him a little bit. Try to.
Yeah, right. How the fuck am I gonna move?
I'm just resting my arms for a second. And then I'll be ready to pull him back up again.
That's a monster.
Yeah.
I think that might be the biggest.
It's one of the biggest. That's for sure.
Been waiting all day for this monster.
Yeah.
You know it?
Yeah. Alright, he's coming. Don't let him go under that way. You ready?
You got him.
Alright. Let's get a good look at him again. Oh
Sure
my
they ain't gonna
god.
grab hold of him.
Oh, he does not want to come up.
Shoot him. Get him up here. Hey.
I'm not gonna shoot him. Come on, get up here.
He didn't hesitate. Shark fisherman's here we come.
Come on. Where's the leader at? Oh, there's the leader. Come on.
There's the leader.
Look at that thing.
Huh?
It's huge. Oh my god.
How big is it?
I don't know. He's heavy. I mean, look how big its head is. Look at this. If I can even get him to come over here.
You guys ain't got shit compared to me and you.
I can't even
You only
hold
hold
him. You gotta hold him for a second.
Damn it, I got him.
It's killing me. Alright, lift him up a little bit. See if we can.
Yeah, all right.
I want to get him on video again. Reel him up a little bit.
I can't even move the reel. Oh shit.
Yeah, he's coming. Alright, right. Come on, lift him a little bit. Reel a little bit more. And then lift him up.
Got him?
No, not yet. There he is. Look at that. He's huge. Oh god. I don't want the rod to snap and hit me
Whoa!
like that. Just broke the line. Probably hit the boat.
I'm tired.
That thing was huge. Like, I don't even know how much that fish weighed.
What you got left of your fucking...
Okay, well, that was a really fun fish to catch. I don't really know how big it was, but it was probably somewhere around 6 to 8 feet, something like that. If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. If you're interested in coming out here on the kayak with me, send me an email. Thank you for watching.